Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on garage inventions of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are. Product 1: Fastback Pro Creeper. The Fastback Pro Creeper is an innovative solution designed to enhance the automotive garage mechanics experience. This ergonomic creeper boasts heavy-duty construction, equipped to withstand the rigors of daily use in professional settings. Its all-terrain wheels ensure smooth mobility across various surfaces, allowing mechanics to navigate effortlessly under vehicles. One notable feature of the Fastback Pro Creeper is its adjustable ground clearance, providing customizable comfort to users of different heights and preferences. This adaptability contributes to reducing strain and fatigue during prolonged use. Moreover, the inclusion of a magnetized LED work light adds another layer of functionality. Mechanics can illuminate their workspace with ease, enhancing visibility in dimly lit areas and enabling precise work on automotive components. The Fastback Pro Creeper also prioritizes convenience and organization with its wall hanger feature, allowing for easy storage when not in use. Additionally, the integrated hitches and a weight capacity of 400 pounds, the Fastback Pro Creeper offers ample space and support for mechanics of varying sizes and builds. Overall, this creeper combines durability, versatility, and user-centric design elements to provide a comprehensive Product 2: Product named Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub. Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub, also known as the Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub, is a cutting-edge device designed to revolutionize the way homeowners interact with their garage doors. It serves as a wireless garage hub and sensor, equipped with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling seamless control of the garage door using a smartphone. This innovative product, identified by the model MIC-G0401S, boasts a sleek white design that complements any garage aesthetic. Its primary function is to provide users with remote access and control over their garage doors through a dedicated smartphone application. This application allows users to open, close, and monitor their garage doors from anywhere with an internet connection, providing unparalleled convenience and peace of mind. The Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub incorporates advanced sensor technology to ensure accurate and reliable operation. It can detect the status of the garage door, alerting users to any changes. Feature enhances security by allowing homeowners to monitor their garage remotely and receive notifications in case of any unauthorized access or attempted break-ins. Furthermore, the integration of both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity ensures versatile compatibility with various smartphone devices and home automation systems. This compatibility allows for seamless integration into existing smart home ecosystems, enabling users to incorporate their garage door into routines, schedules, and automations. Product 3: Product name Maris Smart Garage Door Opener Remote. The Maris Smart Garage Door Opener Remote is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance the functionality and convenience of traditional garage door systems. With compatibility across popular smart home platforms such as Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings, this opener seamlessly integrates into existing smart home ecosystems, allowing users to control their garage doors with voice commands or through smartphone apps. One of the standout features of the Maris Smart Garage Door Opener Remote is its ease of setup and use. Unlike some other smart home devices, no additional hub is required, simplifying the installation process and reducing clutter in the home. This makes it an accessible option for users looking to upgrade their garage door systems without complicated setup procedures. By connecting the Maris Smart Garage Door Opener Remote to their preferred smart home platform, users gain the ability to remotely monitor and control of their garage door and open or close it as needed, providing added security. Product 4: Product name EPEL Garage Door Screen. The EPEL Garage Door Screen is designed to provide convenient and effective screening for garage spaces, particularly for 16x7 feet two-car garages. Its primary purpose is to keep out dust and debris while allowing fresh air to flow through, maintaining a comfortable environment within the garage. Featuring a 300 mesh screen, the EPEL Garage Door Screen effectively filters out unwanted particles without obstructing airflow. This makes it ideal for individuals who use their garage as a workshop, storage space, or even a recreational area, where cleanliness and ventilation are essential. One of the notable features of the EPEL Garage Door Screen is its strong magnets, which ensure that the screen snaps shut securely behind you after entry or exit. This feature helps to maintain the integrity of the screening, preventing insects, pests, or debris from entering when the garage. Product 5 Product name Silicone Lubricant Silicone lubricant, such as WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant, with smart straw sprays 2 ways, 11 Oz, is a versatile product used for various applications across different industries and households. Silicone lubricants are typically formulated with silicone oil as the primary ingredient. This type of lubricant offers several advantages over traditional lubricants, such as petroleum-based ones. Firstly, silicone lubricants are resistant to high temperatures, making them suitable for use in environments where heat is a concern, such as automotive engines or industrial machinery. Additionally, silicone lubricants are known for their water-repellent properties, making them ideal for use in damp or wet conditions. WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant, with its smart straw sprays 2 ways feature, provides users with versatility and convenience. The dual spray mechanism allows for precision application, whether you need a wide spray for covering larger areas or a more targeted stream for precise lubrication tasks, from lubricating hinges and gears to protecting metal surfaces from corrosion. Product 6 Product name XSTRAP Standard Heavy Duty. To the XSTRAP Standard Heavy Duty 2000 lb 50 feet rope hoist pulley is a robust lifting tool designed to efficiently handle heavy loads. This pulley system incorporates a 1-ton wheel block and tackle configuration, offering significant lifting power. With a 5:1 ratio, it multiplies the force applied to the rope, making it easier to lift objects weighing up to 2,000 pounds. One of the key features of this rope hoist pulley is its durability and reliability. Constructed from high-quality materials, it is built to withstand demanding tasks and harsh environments. The pulley system is engineered to provide smooth and controlled lifting, minimizing strain on the user and ensuring safety during operation. Moreover, the inclusion of 2-pack 18-inch soft loops enhances the versatility and convenience of this pulley system. These loops allow for secure attachment to various anchor points, expanding the range of applications, offering flexibility in use. Whether for construction, automotive, or recreational purposes, this rope hoist pulley is suitable for a wide range of lifting. Product 7 Product name RIB 48.2 watts Garage Shelving. The RIB 48.2 watts Garage Shelving is a heavy-duty storage solution designed to meet the demanding needs of garage organization and storage. With a weight capacity of 3,000 pounds, this shelving unit offers robust support for various items, from tools and equipment to boxes and containers. Its adjustable 5-tier design allows for flexible storage configurations, accommodating items of different sizes and shapes. Measuring 24.2 inches in depth, 48.2 inches in width, and 72.2 inches in height, this industrial shelving unit provides ample space for storing a wide range of items while optimizing vertical space in your garage or workspace. The black finish adds a sleek and professional look to any environment, seamlessly blending with existing decor or other storage systems. Constructed from durable metal, this storage shelving unit ensures long-lasting reliability and stability, even under heavy load. 48.2 watts Garage Shelving offers a versatile and efficient solution for maximizing storage space and keeping your garage tidy and organized.